it's time to do my eyelashes. Just a base coat. Maybelline Lash Sensational. Again, not a product placement, just something I've got from my local makeup shop. Just gently apply. Wouldn't be the first time I've dug the crap out of my eyes. So I've done the one coat on my right eye, just one coat now on the left. Try breaking up how you apply your eye makeup. Don't try doing your eyes all in one go. Separate everything. So you've got your mascara, your lower lids. Do bits of your other, the bits of your face separately from your, eyes. Separate it up. Your eyes are very sensitive. My left eye, for some reason, waters like crazy. So I just break it all up so I get the best results without, hopefully, messing it up. You will jab your eye in, with a mascara wand. It's a rite of passage. Just alternate between eyes on the eyelashes. Get 2 or 3 layers on. Any more tends to not work. Then you can stick some false ones over the top a little later if you wish. There we go.